being offside with regulators, not now, not ever. And in 2017, when we were talking about those epic moments, and it's true because I get those things shoved in my face every day, but I point out that when things change, I change. That's when I took my first Bitcoin Ethereum positions in 2017. Obviously, I've done very well with those. But recently, after the regulators in Switzerland, France, Germany, Australia, England, Japan, Canada, all started to change their stance on crypto, it allowed me to start to allocate to it in a compliant way. And that's really what got me going. Obviously, this is an asset class that's here to stay. It's still going through a very nascent phase. I'll be putting a lot more into it as time changes, and still the regulator's not 100% on board, we all know that, but things are getting better, not just domestically, but internationally. And so I'm an international investor, and in many countries where we're talking about Bitcoin or Ethereum or other assets, other crypto assets, tokens and coins, the regulators opened up.